Renewing a company in Nepal is essential to keep your business legally active and avoid penalties. The process ensures that your company complies with government regulations and can continue to operate smoothly. While it may seem like a lengthy task, renewing your company is straightforward when done step by step. The first step in the renewal process is to visit the official website of the Office of the Company Registrar at camis.ocr.gov.np. You will need your login ID and password to access your company's profile. If you have forgotten your login credentials, you can recover them through the website or contact the registrar's office for assistance. Once you log in, check all the details of your company, such as the registered address, board members, and other information. If any changes have occurred, ensure they are updated before proceeding with the renewal application. After verifying your company details, you need to submit the renewal application online. Along with the application, you must pay the renewal fee, which varies depending on your company's size and type. After the payment, you will be asked to upload the required documents for verification. The documents needed for company renewal include your company registration certificate, PAN certificate, the latest tax clearance certificate, proof of payment for the renewal fee, and any additional documents specified by the registrar's office. These documents confirm that your company is in compliance with all legal and financial requirements. If you are unsure about any part of the process, Axion Partners is here to help. We assist businesses in completing the renewal process smoothly and on time. We can retrieve the login credentials to preparing and submitting documents. We ensure every step is handled with care. Timely yearly renewal of company is quite important in Nepal. Let Axion Partners handle the details so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. Contact us today to ensure your company renewal is quick and hassle-free.